Dr. Vaishali Sangule. I'm a practicing ENT surgeon in Navi Mumbai. I'm a clinical neurotologist practicing in specialty of vertigo since the last 15 years. Vertigo is a disorder of altered sensorium. It is one of the very commonly complained symptoms. The underlying pathology can lie in major of the cases in inner ear conditions. Few examples are benign positional paroxysmal vertigo, vestibular migraine, Meniere's disease, vestibular neuritis. A few of the central disorders also present very commonly with dizziness, like stroke or transient ischemic episodes. Till date, analyzing a patient of vertigo, the patient underwent a battery of clinical and neuro-otological evaluations, but at the end of the day, the clinical information would be only at the tip of the iceberg without giving much information about the cause or the diagnosis. In the recent time, a very advanced test, which is called as video nystagmography, is set in the clinic, which is at Kharghar in Navi Mumbai. VNG or video nystagmography in the recent time is the most updated and most accurately diagnosing technique both for the central as well as the peripheral cause. In the clinic, we have the VNT system which is run with Cyclops Private Limited, which makes a patient undergo a battery of evaluations from central, peripheral, also to diagnose somewhat upcoming new conditions of vertigo like cervicogenic vertigo and visual vertigo. Jayesh has been suffering from vertigo since in the last 4 to 5 years. As a rule, it is a condition of recurrence. He has been getting episodic rotatory spins. Sometimes the spins are intense enough to make him spinning like a whirl, clouding sensation. Almost sometimes it can be so severe as if he experiences the episodes being associated with nausea and vomiting. The condition which has been diagnosed in this case is BPPV with a little variation. BPPV, a condition of dislodgement of crystals which are called as otolith. A difficult area to dislodge is anterior canal wall, BPPV. Till date, majority in ENT practice of ours did not know about anterior canal variation. It is only on video nystagmography that a beat which is called as a downbeating nystagmus. So nystagmus is an abnormal involuntary movement of the eyeball which is very well depicted on video nystagmography test. Having diagnosed him to have anterior canal BPPV, a manovir called Giacometti manovir is another. At the most, it takes either 1 stage or 2 to 3 stages of repositioning back the crystals into position for the patient to get a permanent cure or a treatment from the condition. Sanjay, who himself being a doctor, has been suffering from vertigo since the last 4 to 5 years. His complaints have been in episodic rotatory spins of vertigo, very classically with changes of head positional moments, especially while getting or lying in bed. My patient Dr. Sanjay has been diagnosed on video nystagmography done to have a variant which is not that common of BPPV, of it being lateral canal. Lateral canal BPPV can again be though challenging but Manovir, Gufoni Manovir. I experience of it being one of the very challenging conditions in BPPV, many a times multiple therapeutic. So even if at all they are multiple, in the largest of my series, at least 2 to 3 attempts of repositioning makes the patient free of spin.